Dear students, I am Pratik sir, mathematics teacher of class 9, Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. In this video, I am explaining you some questions from exercise 12.1. Question number 1 is, a traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. We have to find out the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. Its perimeter is given 180 centimeter. See, there is a sign board in equilateral triangle shape. Each side is A, school ahead is written on it. First of all, we will calculate the semi-perimeter of this board. Semi-perimeter का formula, sum of all the sides, so each side is A, so A plus A divided by 2, 3A by 2. Then we will calculate area by using Heron's formula, root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. In place of S, 3A by 2, and again in the first bracket 3A by 2, S की place पर minus A, S minus B, S की place पर 3A minus 2 और B की place पर भी A, क्योंकि all the three sides of the triangle are same. Third bracket 3A by 2 minus A. Next step 3A by 2 as it is. On solving 3A by 2 minus A, we will get A by 2. Same in the second and third bracket also A by 2, A by 2. We will separate out this 3. A by 2 is left out 4 times inside the square root. We know inside a square root the same values which repeats 2 times in product form, that comes outside as 1 time. So 2 times A by 2, 1 time outside the root, 2 times again A by 2, 1 times outside the root, and 3 is a single digit inside the root, that will remain inside the root only as 3. So root 3 as it is, A by 2 का multiply करेंगे A square, 2 2s are 4 in the denominator. So overall root 3 by 4 A square, this is the area of this board, signal board. Now perimeter equals to 180 centimeter given. Perimeter means 3A, 3 into side. A has come 60 centimeter. Here you can see area of signal board, the formula we have got is root 3 by 4 into side square, A square. In place of A we will put 60, because A each side has come 60 centimeter, so 60 का square 3600, and on solving 4 की table से 3600 will be cancelled 900 times, so 900 root 3 is the answer for this particular question. It means the area of this signal board will be 900 root 3 centimeter square. Now question number 2 is, the triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisements. The sides of the walls are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. The advertisement yields an earning of rupees 5000 per meter square per year. Rupees 5000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its walls, which is in triangular shape, for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? How much rent the company will pay for 3 months? Now, see the 3 sides of that triangular board. The triangular sided wall is 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. First of all, we will calculate the semi-perimeter. Sum of all the 3 sides divided by 2. We will get 264 by 2, 132 meter. Then we will calculate the area of that triangular side wall, S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. On putting all the values, we have got the area of the triangular side wall is 1320 meter square, 1320 meter square. Now it is given that per year the earning of 1 meter square part is rupees 5000. Total area of the triangular side wall is 1320 meter square. We will multiply by 5000 rupees. It means the total earning of 1320 meter square area of that triangular side wall will be 66,000,000. It means rupees 66 lakh. Per year means 12 months. It means this earning belongs to 12 months. 12 months में earning 66 lakh. In 3 months we will divide it by 12 to calculate for 1 month, and we will multiply by 3 to calculate for 3 months. On solving, we will get 16,50,000 rupees for 3 months. It means the company will pay rupees 16,50,000 rupees rent for 3 months. Thank you.